Okay, so it says you are going up a road with a 10% grade. You're going up how many feet how many feet horizontal? That's a great question. What does it mean if a road has a 10% grade? Have you heard of that? You know, when you drive on the highways, they say 10% grade. Let's try to get real about that. What is that? Well, it has to do with the percent symbol. Do you know what percent means? This is a good time to talk about what is percent? I mean, in the real world, like what is it? If I said, hey, I was watching a baseball game yesterday and 10% of the crowd was wearing hats. What does that mean? 10 people were wearing hats? No, you know, it's not 10 people. There's like 40,000 people at the baseball game, maybe, you know, and 10% are wearing hats. What does that mean? 10%. How could you explain that in a way that a 10-year-old can understand it? That's good. I always think if you could explain something so a 10-year-old understands it, you've really got it, because it makes you really think it clear.
It's out of 100.
What's that?
It's out of 100. That's what the percent symbol means.
Beautiful, Alexander. You've got it, man. It means 10 out of every 100. Yeah, 10%. Even just think about the word. Percent means 10 per. What's cent? What does cent mean in front of any word? It means 100. A century is 100 years, or a cent is 1/100th of a dollar. Yeah, cent means 100. So 10% means 10 per 100. 10%. That's why there's two zeros in the symbol. It's telling you it's out of 100. In other words, it's 10 out of every 100. So if the grade is 10%, let's think about the road. If the road is going up at a 10% grade, that means every time you go over 100 feet, it goes up 10 feet. That's how steep it is. That's a 10% grade. You know, if you go here from point A to point B at the top of the hill there, and you did a 10% grade, 10% grade along that hill, as you drove your car up there, that means 10 per 100. That means you go up 10 every 100. So you're going up 10 feet for every 100 feet horizontally. Now, I wonder if they want us to simplify those numbers. Anyway, we'll see. And then what's the slope of the road? Well, remember, slope is rise over run, right? We've seen that a couple of times. Slope is rise over run. So what's the rise? 10, right? This is the rise here. This is the run. 10 over 100. Now you have to reduce that fraction. So divide top and bottom by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 100 divided by 10 is 10. The slope is 1/10. How we doing? That making good sense for everybody? Everybody seeing that? Let me see the different varieties. I'm going to check real quick to see if I'm missing how they want that first answer done.
So my slope of the road is wrong.
Your slope is wrong. Just 1 second here. Oh, yeah, they want us to simplify. Yeah, okay. What if I if I do this? Yep, okay, I just checked it out. Yeah, so instead of 10 per 100, yeah, we have to reduce it first. So this should be 1 and 10. Yeah, they want us to reduce it. And so if they're both divisible, even though it's true, you know, for every, 100 feet over, you go up 10, which is 10 over 100. They want you to reduce it to be 1/10. So for every 1 foot over, you go up 10 feet. Does that make sense? You have to reduce. Probably you should answer this question first, the slope. You know, take your fraction, 10 over 100, reduce it, and then put it back the 1 here and the 10 there. That's probably a better way to go. Is that making sense?
I reduced mine to 1/50, and it says
what was your original? What was your percentage, Alexander?
2% grade.
2% grade. Yes.
I got the top two right. You were going down 1 feet every 50 feet horizontally.
Yeah. So then divide by 2. Bob, you should get 1
over 50.
You put in 1 over 50 here and it didn't take it?
Yeah, I didn't take it. It says wrong, and I only have 1 chance left.
Because I just checked it out and it worked on. Let me double check real quick. Yeah, it's taking it from me. Do you want to share your screen real quick?
You got to disable it.
Yeah, I just did.
Oh, okay.
You're probably a second ahead of me. You're fast, man.
All right. So yeah, I got this right. 1.
Wow.
Yeah. Since it's going down, is it going to be a negative, or is that just completely wrong?
Oh, you're right. Good eye. Yeah, it's negative. Thank you. It's negative. That's it. I didn't even think about the up-down thing. Good catch.
There it is.
Nice.
There she goes.
Awesome. Thanks. Yeah, that's helpful to everybody. Thank you. Yeah, so let me go back to my iPad screen and mention if it's going down, you got to pop in a negative. Let me go back here. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, mine said going up, so mine was positive. But if yours says down, so I'll say if down, then negative slope, right? So if yours says going down, then it's a negative slope. Mine was going up. Yeah, good question on that. There we go.